So now we look at example 3. Find the equation of the circle with the point A 3 and 5 and point B 7 and 1 as the ends of its diameter, which means that point A and point B is the end point of the diameters. Let's say I try to sketch the circle. So let's say point A is here, which is 3 and 5, and here is our point B, 7 and 1. If I try to find the midpoint of AB, so the midpoint of the AB will become the center of the circle. So now, formula for the midpoint, let's say midpoint of AB, so which is equals to x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2. So if I try to label the point A and A as x1, y1, here should be x2, y2. So x1, which is 3, x2 is 7, means that 3 plus 7 divided by 2, y1 is 5, y2 is 1, so means that 5 plus 1 over 2. So if I try to simplify, this is 10 over 2, here is 6 over 2. So finally, the center, suppose is equals to 5, 6 divided by 2 is 3. So this is our center, and the center is H and K. Next, if I try to find the distance from center to point B, or I can use center to point A. So here is referred as the distance of CB is the radius. So next, I will find the distance. Let's say distance of CB, so will be equals to square root of, let's say now our center here is 5. So I'm going to use C and B. So let's say 5 minus 7 squared, so 5 minus 7 squared plus 3 minus 1 squared, 3 minus 1 squared. From here, 5 minus 7 is negative 2 squared, plus here 3 minus 1, 2 squared. So here should have square root of 4 plus 4, which is equals to square root of 8, means that our radius will be equal to square root of 8. Again, our standard form of the circle will be x minus h squared plus y minus k squared is equals to r squared. So I'm going to substitute the value of h and k, which is the center, and the radius, which is square root of 8, into this standard form. So next, my h is 5, so x minus 5 squared plus y minus 3 squared will be equals to square root of 8 squared. So since I have to find the equation, so I need to expand this standard form. So x minus 5 plus y minus 3 is equals to 8. Now I try to expand. X squared minus 5x plus 25 plus y squared minus 3y plus 9 will be equals to 8. So I try to simplify and arrange. X squared plus y squared. Negative 5x minus 5x is negative 10x. Negative 3y minus negative 3y is negative 6y. Finally, 25 plus 9. And then I move positive 8 to the left hand side. Will become minus 8. Suppose will be equals to 26. Positive 26 will be equals to 0. So this is the equation of the circle. And here is the standard form of the circle.